Hello everyone, welcome to our Sciences of Composite PU College, Vijaypura. I am Aarti Dodamani from the Department of Mathematics. Let us move to the continuation of the topic, that is nothing but a pair of a linear equation in two variables, part 2. In the previous session we have learnt about the methods of solving the pair of linear equations in three methods, that is nothing but a substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. We have learnt about already about the substitution method. Let us go for the elimination method. To understand this method, let us take an example. Let the equation be 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 as the first equation, 9x minus 2y is equal to 7 as the second equation. Now any one of the coefficient of the variables you have to make same. To make it same, what to do? That is, we have to multiply 2 to the equation 1 and 5 to the equation 2. When we multiply these things, the coefficients of the variable y, it will be nothing but equal. So after multiplication, we will get the equation as 6x minus 10y is equal to 8 as a third equation, and 45x minus 10y is equal to 35, that is as a fourth equation. Subtracting the equation 4 from 3. When you subtract it, the sign it will be changed here. Here it will be minus into plus is minus. Here minus into minus it becomes plus. Then minus into plus it becomes minus. So now these two it get deleted. So what will be the equation now? 6x minus 45x is nothing but minus 39x is equal to 8 minus 35 is nothing but a minus 27. So let us move to the next one. X is equal to 27 divided by 39. Here minus and minus it will be cancelled. So we can cancel here, that is 3 9s are 27 and 3 13s are 39. That is, answer is nothing but x is equal to 9 by 30. Now we got the value of x. Now we have to find out the value of y. What to do? Put the value of x in equation 1. Let the equation 1 as a 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Now put the value of x in this equation. 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. So it is nothing but 3 into 9 by 13 it is. So now here it is, now multiply this 3 9s are 27 divided by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. Next 5y is equal to, shift that 5y towards the right hand side. So it will become positive. 5y is equal to 27 by 13 minus 4. 5y is equal to 27. Now take out the LCM. Is nothing but 13. So 4 into 13. You have to take it as here 4 divided by 1 it is. So it is nothing but here you have to multiply it by 13. So it will be nothing but 27 minus 52 divided by 13. Now y is equal to 27 minus 52 is nothing but minus 25 divided by 13 into 5. Now here 5 ones are 5 5s are, it get cancels. So the value is nothing but y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Let us go for the method. next method as a cross multiplication method. Let us now see how this method works for the any pair of a linear equation in two variables of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. That is as the second equation. These two equations are nothing but the general equation. Okay. Now the same method it is. Now to obtain the value of x and of y as shown above here, we follow some of the following steps. First step, multiply the equation 1 by b2, equation 1 by b2, multiply the this one, and for the equation 2 you have to multiply by b1. Okay, after multiplication what we will get? We will get the equation as b2a1x plus b2b1y plus b2c1 is equal to 0. This is third equation. Next, after multiplying b1 to the equation 2, we will get b1a2x plus b1b2y plus b1c2 is equal to 0. So now what will be the next step? That is subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. We get it as b2. I told you already about that. When we will be subtracting, the sign it will be changed here. So now we can take that as it is. Now here b2 b1y and b1 b2y it get cancels. So what will be remaining after this? X in this x is common. So we have taken it as outside. So b2a1 minus b1a2 bracket complete, x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1. Next, x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 divided by b2a1 minus b1a2. So this is nothing but the x, the formula for the x. Now we can solve by solve the equation, two pair of equation by cross multiplication method. Now here by applying this formula, x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 divided by b2a1 minus b1a2, we will get the value of x. In the same way, if we multiply equation 1, for the equation 1 if you multiply a2, and for equation 2 if you multiply a1 like that, in the same method if we solve, we will get the formula for the y. Okay, this is nothing but the solving a pair of a linear equation by the cross multiplication method. Another easiest method is nothing but, first you have to take the variables like this, x, y, and this is a constant 1. So you have to take in the equation x means you have to leave this, x means we have to leave this one, and you have to take b1 b2 then c1 c2. Next again in the y variable you have to take again, continue here c1 c2, and next a1 a2. Next for the constant term you have to take it as a a1 a2 and b1 b2. I hope it is clear. So here next, here x you have to take it as a x divided by, now you have to multiply it, cross multiplication, b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 is equal to y divided by c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1. Next that is equal to 1 divided by a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. This is the formula where we can get the x and the y values. Okay, by applying this formula and equating it to the constant term, this you have to equate for a constant term, so you will get x value. Again for y you have to equate a constant term, then you will get a y value. This is nothing but another easiest method to find the to solve the pair of a linear equation. Let us take the example. Let the two equations be x plus y is equal to 7, first equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 11 as the second equation. By cross multiplication method, we have x by, just now what the formula we have taken, according to that, now you have to take this x by means you have to leave this one and you have to take the other terms. That is nothing but 1 7 minus 3 11. Then y by it is nothing but 7 1, see 7 and here 1, then 11, here it is 2, that is equal to, now constant term, now you have not taken the equation means in the form of a1x plus b means b1y plus c, we have not taken in that form, so it is towards the left right hand side, so you have to take it here minus 1. So minus 1 divided by constant term, leave this constant term now, let me show you once. Okay, now here constant term minus 1 divided by, now leave this one, you will get 1 1, here 1 1, next 2 minus 3 2 minus 3. This is nothing but the how to take in the easiest form. Now we have to substitute it. How to substitute? Let me see. Now you have to cross multiply like this. Let us take. See, after multiplication, see 1 ones are 11 ones are, it is 11 minus into plus minus, so 3 sevens are 21 minus 21, 11 minus of minus 21, so 7 twos are 14, 11 ones are 11, so 14 minus 11, 1 into minus 3 minus 3, 2 into 1, it is nothing but 1, 2 ones are 2 minus 2. So this is 3 minus 3 minus 2. Next step. Now you have to substitute it. You have to take a subtraction. So x divided by, now minus into minus plus. So 11 plus 21 is equal to y by 3 is equal to minus 1 by minus 5. So here minus and minus it get cancelled here. Minus and minus it get cancelled. So next what is remaining? 11 plus 21 is 32. 3, then 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 it get cancelled. So you can take it as a 1 by 5. So here x divided by 32 is equal to, you have to equate now, you have to equate the x value to the constant terms. Let us see how to equate it. Okay, now here you have to equate x by 32 to 1 by 5. So x by 32 is equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiplication, x is equal to 32 by 5. That is nothing but the value of x. Next, y by this y by 3 you have to equate to constant term. So y by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. That is nothing but cross multiplication. Y is equal to 3 by 5. This is nothing but how to find out the how to solve the pair of a linear equation by the cross multiplication method. End of the session. Thank you.